If you are watching this video, you might already be someone who enjoys being alone. Or maybe you've noticed something strange about yourself. You feel more calm when you are not around people. Before we start, if you find this video interesting, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Now listen carefully. What if I told you that liking being alone is not a personality choice, but a hidden psychological wiring in your brain? Because some people don't become loners by accident. Their brain actually starts preferring silence over social noise without them even realizing it. And once this wiring activates, crowds start feeling draining and solitude starts feeling peaceful. This is where psychology gets really interesting. You don't hate people, you just don't feel mentally at rest around them. And there are real reasons behind this. The first reason is sensory overload. Some brains process too much information at once in social environments: facial expressions, tone shifts, energy changes, background noise. So when they are alone, their brain finally relaxes and slows down. The second reason is deep thinking patterns. They don't enjoy shallow conversations for long. Their mind naturally moves toward meaning, patterns, and internal reflection. The third reason is emotional independence. They don't depend on others to stabilize their mood. Instead, they process emotions internally, in silence. The fourth reason is control. When alone, there is no social pressure, no pretending, no performance, just complete mental freedom to be yourself. The fifth reason is energy management. Social interaction feels like spending energy instead of gaining it, so they become selective with it without even trying. The sixth reason is high awareness. They notice micro details others completely ignore. Small tone changes, expressions, behavior shifts. This makes social environments mentally exhausting over time. The seventh reason is comfort in self-dialogue. Their strongest conversations happen inside their own mind. Ideas, imagination, analysis, planning, all internally. The eighth reason is reduced emotional dependency. They don't feel the need to constantly seek validation. Their identity is built more internally than externally. The ninth reason is overstimulation avoidance. Modern social life is fast, loud, and mentally heavy, so silence becomes a form of recovery, not emptiness. But here is something very important. Liking being alone is not a flaw in your personality. It is not weakness. It is not social failure. It is simply a different brain pattern. Some people recharge through connection, and some people recharge through silence. Both are normal. The real problem starts only when solitude becomes isolation, not by choice, but by emotional fear. Because there is a huge difference between being alone and feeling alone. And psychology clearly separates those two worlds. If this video made sense to you, it might mean you understand yourself better than you think.